Regenerative medicine or orthobiologics is the newest and the latest branch in orthopedics in which we use our body's own cells to heal arthritis or chronic conditions like back pain, knee pain, arthritis, rheumatism, all of that. So this is the latest, and the next 10 years you will be seeing revolution in the treatment of all this, and this will lead to avoiding major surgeries later on. I practice in Mumbai, so we have our centers in Mumbai and the body to make stem cells out of it or separate stem cells out of fat and then inject it in the joint to make the joint heal. Okay, so basically it is treatment of arthritis. That is the reason why these therapies are very important for younger people. Now at 40, I don't expect people to do replacement surgeries. You have so much life remaining. Replacement surgery is not going to last for 40 years, you know. So these therapies will make your joint last longer. Natural joint last longer.
What to tell about?
I will always say that if you have been diagnosed with any joint problem or joint issue or arthritis and you are thinking of
orthobiologics. Correct. So we are one of a kind in India today. First on orthobiologics, which is regenerative therapies in India. What we have done is we are also a training center for a lot of doctors. So we train orthopedics in orthobiologic treatment. So what is regenerative treatments? How it is to be done? Who are the right patients for it? What kind of patient selection should we be doing? What kind of treatment should we be doing for which kind of patient? All of that training we give and provide to the orthopedics in the country. We are associated with the American Board for Regenerative Medicine, which provides their diplomat program. So we are the only guys in India who provide the diplomat training program to orthopedics in the country.
Any new surgery?
So she explained what are the types we do. Important part here is in India currently there isn't so much awareness about the regenerative therapies. That's the mission we bring to the table. We are saying these are the treatments of the future, and Indian orthopedics, Indian pain physicians, Indian doctors, Indian patients should understand and know about these therapies as we go forward.
Your good name, sir.
So we have a regenerative medicine conference that we hold annually. This year it's going to be in Chennai on August 1st to the 3rd, from 1 to 3 August in Chennai.